Nayarit finds itself in a very interesting place now, especially with the development of its new port as that comes together, and of course other industries that are now finding greater access to new markets.
As president of the Surrey Board of Trade, I was very impressed with the state of Nayarit and what I've learned today. It is the private sector that drives the economy in partnership with government. And that is what's going to happen as we move forward on this journey of connectivity between Canada and Mexico. The state of Nayarit is a gateway to ensure that we are building international trade ties. And being a model for the rest of Mexico was absolutely extraordinary for me as a leader that is also trying to build a city of transformation as well.
So Mexico is a very important market for us to grow, to nurture, to make investment. We are looking for manufacturers in Mexico, joint venture partnerships, and ultimately the opportunity to manufacture our product in Mexico, for Mexico, by Mexicans, and for Latin America. Gave me tremendous confidence in wanting to do business with the state, with its people, with its government, which is legislative authority, and of course with the people and the businesses of Naryata. So I look forward to doing business here with Naryata Business Partners.